He dash to school every day. A, go. B, goes. C, gone. We dash a movie last night. A, watch. B, watched. C, watching. I dash in this company since 2021. A, worked. B, works. C, have worked. They dash to Paris next month. A, will go. B, goes. C, going. She dash not like coffee. A, do. B, does. C, does. The sky is full of dash clouds. A, B, and C, no article. He is afraid dash dogs. A, of. B, from. C, with. We arrived dash the station on time. A, at. B, in. C, on. She sings better dash her sister. A, then. B, then. C, that. I prefer tea dash coffee. A, over. B, then. C, too. Once in a blue moon means A, always. B, often. C, rarely. He bought a dash of bread. A, bar. B, loaf. C, block. My friend and I dash going to the park. A, is. B, are. C, am. If she had studied, she dash passed. A, will have. B, would have. C, has. She dashed to visit us yesterday. A, come. B, came. C, comes. You dash obey your elders. A, must be, might see, would. I was tired, dash I took a nap. A, so B, but C, because. Dash honest man is always respected. A, B, and C, the. He is better dash maths than I am. A, on B, at C, ing. That is the man dash car was stolen. A, who B, whom C, whose. The opposite of beautiful is A, ugly, B, cute, C, bright. I am looking forward to dash you. A, meet B, meeting C, met. We stayed indoors because it dash raining. A, is B, was C, were. His performance was dash good. A, to B, very C, so. The car was washed dash the driver. A, by B, with C, from. He is known dash his honesty. A, by B, for C, with. Please dash the TV off before sleeping. A, take B, put C, turn. We didn't buy dash apples. A, some B, any C, much. My phone is older dash yours. A, then B, then C, from. This is dash interesting story. A, B, and C, the. The bus stopped dash the station. A, in B, at C, on. I'd rather dash at home. A, stay. B, stayed. C, staying. I saw her dash the road. A, crossing. B, cross. C, to cross. We dashed to school when it started raining. A, walk. B, walked. C, were walking. He looked at me dash surprise. A, in B, with C, by. The cake was divided dash 4 parts. A, between. B, among. C, into. If I dash enough money, I will buy a bike. A, have. B, had. C, has. I'd rather you dashed now. A, go. B, went. C, going. The exam was easy, dash everyone passed. A, so. B, but. C, yet. Please don't make so dashed noise. A, many. B, much. C, more. I don't like movies dash are violent. A, that. B, who. C, where. I haven't met dash of them. A, some. B, none. C, any. She took care of the baby dash her mother. A, instead. B, instead of. C, in spite. Dash he was tired, he finished the work. A, though. B, because. C, unless. He speaks English as dash as his brother. A, good. B, better. C, well. The bag is too heavy dash carry. A, for B, to see, that. I saw a boy dash was crying. A, which B, who C, whose. What is the plural of child? A, child's. B, children. C, child's. She never comes late dash. A, doesn't she. B, does she. C, isn't she. I hope you dash enjoy the trip. A, shall. B, will. C, might.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.